In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the coolant reservoir on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. Disconnect the connector for the mass airflow sensor, just push down and slide it off. Loosen up the worm clamp, use a 8mm socket. Slide the snorkel off. And you want to just grab the air box and we'll just pull it up. Out of the way, there is just rubber grommets holding it on. Now you want to take the cap off, make sure the vehicle is cold. You don't want to open this while it's hot. You don't need to drain all the coolant just to replace the reservoir. You can use a fluid extraction pump, take all the coolant out of just the reservoir and then proceed. Now I'll take the hoses off, just using a hose clamp tool. Slide that off. And grab the hose. And slide it off. We'll do the same for the lower hose. You might get a little coolant come out of here, so you could have a drain bucket underneath when you're doing this. Slide that off. Now using a 10mm socket, take this bolt out. And there's a nut over here. Use a 10mm socket, take this nut off. Pull that nut out, grab the reservoir, and it slides right up. Now I'll line the reservoir up. Get the bolt in, down below. And take the nut, get that lined up. Get that started and tighten this down. And tighten the nut down. And we'll put the hoses back on using the hose clamp tool. And the upper hose as well. You take these grommets, put these back here. It's a little bit easier to push these grommets through like that. And take the air box, line this up. With it lined up, then just push it down, put the snorkel on. Connect the connector and tighten this down. Now you want to add the appropriate coolant, fill it up to where the full line is. Run the vehicle for about 10 or 15 minutes, monitoring to make sure that the engine's not overheating. Then shut the vehicle off, let the vehicle cool down, and double check and adjust accordingly.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.